A San Luis Obispo company is changing the face of flight. Most modern planes are powered by jet fuel, but as KSBY reporter Melissa Newman found out, ES Aero is looking to replace that with electric batteries. And thanks to a possible deal with Uber, you may soon be able to hail one of these energy-efficient planes.
Empirical Systems Aerospace, or ES Aero, is a different type of local business.
We're doing a lot of work on electric aviation, including supporting the electric VTOL market.
Even after gaining customers like Lockheed Martin and NASA, the team, made up of mostly Cal Poly grads, attributes a lot of their success to luck.
A lot of it's just dumb luck. We started here at San Luis Obispo because we didn't want to leave San Luis Obispo, which is how a lot of companies end up in San Luis Obispo.
The ES Aero team is currently working on their X-57 aircraft with NASA.
The original goals in the program were to show a 5 times energy efficiency improvement at cruise. That has slowly evolved throughout the program to also work towards working with the electric community, both those that are building vehicles and those that are creating the rules, into how do we go about making vehicles like this safe.
The team is hoping to use this aircraft to demonstrate the feasibility in using electric propulsion as a way to power planes.
It's enabling more green transportation. It's enabling hybrid electric and airliners, hybrid electric transports that have up to 30%, 40%, 50% reduction in fuel and reduction in greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere.
Possibly their most notable partnership, however, is their collaboration with Uber.
Things like Uber Air that have the hopes of transporting people up to 60 miles.
That means in addition to being able to call an Uber to drive you across town, ES Aero is now helping design the aircraft that will allow commuters to catch flights as well.
Much of the technologies that you'll see here are helping to support that burgeoning market. We've supported Uber Air with some design and analysis services, and they happen to be located right here in San Luis Obispo alongside ES Aero.
In San Luis Obispo, Melissa Newman, KSBY News.
Well, Uber has several hurdles to jump through before Uber Elevate can launch, but once the aircraft are up and running, Uber's website claims rides will initially cost around $129, with long-term goals of dropping that price to about $20 depending on the location.
So much of what we're trying to do is focus on manufacturing and certification of these electric technologies for aviation. The Uber Air model is calling for tens of thousands of these things, much like there's hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of Uber drivers driving their own vehicles on the ground. There will be tens of thousands potential Uber Air vehicles flying in the air.
That's an incredible thought. Uber CEO plans to launch Uber Elevate in Dallas and Los Angeles by 2023.